Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today I'm going to test the crazy combo with the heavy machine gun and supply backpack against the automatons. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Let's go. Okay, this is the loadout that I'm gonna use.
Destroyer has joined squadron.
A few moments later.
Oh shit!
Outside the mission area.
Okay, looks like I have to fight first. Oh no! No! Hell no! That's hell no! Yo! Yeah! Oh, die!
HELLDIVER, you are moving outside the mission area.
Thank you. Hey, oh, yo. Shit. Okay, it's dead. Yo, why you're not dying?
Calling down objective equipment.
Warning, you are in range of enemy artillery.
HELLDIVER, never die.
Warning, you are in range of enemy artillery.
The Hulk is dead.
A few moments later.
Warning, you are in range of enemy artillery.
500 kg bomb there. They're going to die.
Oh my god!
And boom, they're dead.
Warning, you are in range of enemy artillery.
The Hulk is dead.
Objective critical stratagem available. Sub-objective.
The other one is dead.
Requesting orbital.
A laser should do the work. Oh shit! Oh shit! There's a tank.
Oh my god!
That's a tank.
Outpost destroyed.
Yo, so many. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Never mind. The tank is dead.
One hour later.
Oh shit! No, that won't do anything. I need to get closer to kill it. Oh shit! Take cover, take cover. Oh shit!
New mag.
No! there. Wait. I have. Oh shit! I have some cover, but no. Yo!
Stop it. Get some help.
Yo! What the hell was that? What the hell is this? Why they all shooting at me? Yo, I dodged your missile.
Vai sentar no
3 hours later.
Requesting sentry.
Freedom marches on. Thanks to you. You may proceed to extraction.
Yo, hello. Oh shit. Oh, hey, P4. M3, help me. No, don't shoot me. Don't shoot. Just like kick me. Can you kick me? No, kick me. Kick me, melee me. No. Oh no.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
M3, I told you to kick me, not to kill me, okay? Come here. Okay, I forgive you. Don't worry. I'm gonna kill them. Yo, I think his butt drop is on me. Yo. Yo! Ah! Orbital laser is coming! 500 kg bomb coming!
Calling in reinforcements.
T-minus 1 minute 30 seconds.
Only 1 minute and 30 seconds. Defend the extraction zone. Okay, let's go.
Pelican 1 preparing to depart. Shuttle launch in 20 seconds. Reinforcement budget depleted. Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent. Victory was never in doubt.
Thank you for watching the video. Until then, Helldivers, for super Earth and managed democracy.